All right, question number 12. I've got a rectangular garden. The area is 66 meters squared. We'll just say length times width is equal to 66. Call this the length and this the width. And then we have distance on the outside. It says that there's 1 meter. It says 1 on both sides. And then there's a 2 meter span here on both sides. We don't know what W and L are, so that this length here will be L plus 2 will be 4. So it'll be L plus 4. W on the outside, you're going to add 1 here and 1 here. So this will be W plus 2. We want to find the dimensions of the garden that minimize the combined area of the garden and border. All right, so we also have this relationship, and we want to find the area of the outside, which will be L plus 4 times W plus 2, and that will equal some area. We want to minimize this function. We're going to solve for L or W, does not matter. Let's just solve for L, divide by W. So we'll get L equals 66 divided by W. And then we will plug that in. L equals 66 divided by W plus 4 times W plus 2, and that will equal our area. We can FOIL this out. Both times W, so times W will just give me 66. Times 2 will give me 132 over W. 4 times W, 4W. 4 times 2, give me 8. And then we can add the 66 and 8. And that will give us 74. So say 4W plus 74 plus 132 divided by W. All right, so we're going to find the derivative of this function. This will give me just 4. That will zero out. A negative 1. Subtract 1, so that'll be over W squared. Equals A prime. Set it equal to 0. So I'm going to wrap around here. So we're going to say 4 minus 132 over W squared equals 0. We can move this over, so we get 4 equals 132 over W squared. Multiply by W squared, so we get 4W squared equals 132. Divide by 4. W squared. 4 goes into 12 3 times. And then 4 goes into 12, so 33. And then we'll take the square root. So we get W equals positive or negative square root of 33. The width cannot be negative, can get negative measurement, so W equals the square root of 33. Now that we have W, we will plug that in, and we get L equals 66 divided by the square root of 33. We can rationalize the denominator, and that will give me 66 square roots of 33 divided by 33. 66 divided by 33 will give us 2. So we get 2 square roots of 33 for the length. So we got the width and the length that minimize the dimensions of both. All right, so the shortest edge, rectangular, the height, which I'm calling the width, that's the shortest edge. The width, square root of 33. All right, and then the longer edge, 2 square roots of 33.